Are you someone who heads into mealtime, rush, so many things to do that you either grab food on the go, eat in your car, eat in front of the desk because your to-do list is just never ending? Or are you someone who really puts the time and the effort into sitting down, candlelit dinner, family, put your phones away, have the conversation, and enjoy and savor your food? Maybe you fall somewhere in between, and that's okay. Wherever you fall on that spectrum, that's your starting point. However, we have now learned from many different studies that it's important to build some mindfulness into our eating. When we slow down and we sit and we chew our food really well, and we actually give our bodies that opportunity to break down the food, digest the food, and do it in a little bit of a slower pace, it's much healthier for us. We're going to be getting more nutrients out of the food because we're not just swallowing big chunks. We're going to make sure that our body moves into that parasympathetic state where we can actually rest and digest and not always be in that flight and fright state. We want to really make sure that we are in a relaxed state around mealtime. But with the way life is so busy, you may not either have time for it or even know how to really carve out that meaningful eating, the mindful eating. So this week in my blog, I'm going to give you a couple ideas to try. If you've been wanting to kind of level up your dining experience or make your meals more meaningful, then I have some ideas for you. So head on into the blog. There's a couple ideas there for you to try. Give them a shot. Try one, try a different one, and also let me know what you do as well to bring some more mindfulness to your meals. Chew your food slowly, really create meals you love. Put some extra effort into your cooking and really see how it benefits you, your family, your mood, your stress levels. Carving that time out to eat, not just sitting in front of the TV, but actually carving out the time to really enjoy meals is something that has made a big difference for me as well. So I hope you enjoyed this blog. Let me know your tips, and I hope to see you over there.